family cars. They're losing ground to the SUVs nowadays, but can still be a bit more spacious and practical. This is BMW Active Tourer's bigger brother, Gran Tourer. Compared to the Active Tourer, this one has a 10 centimeter longer wheelbase, which means more space for the rear passengers. But also, and I hope she doesn't mind me saying this, she's got a bigger ass, 20 centimeters. And now for some rock music, which should remind all of today's fathers of their youthful years. The M equipment package can also bring some youthfulness to this BMW. Round lights have said goodbye, replaced by more modern-shaped ones. Daylight LEDs give the Gran Tourer a more angry look. Which is interesting, as the car is quite friendly for everyday use. "18-inch alloys and a more sporty back is all part of the M package. The two big exhausts are the consequence of the most powerful 2-liter diesel engine. The rear lights are partially LEDs, the blinkers not. Shame. This instrument cluster, believe it or not, is not digital but only updated. I really like how it looks. With the M package, you also get the M steering wheel, which I suggest everyone buying a BMW gets. The most powerful engines are only available with the automatic gearbox. The seats are very comfortable, only lacking in ventilation. Apart from the ambient lighting, the rear passengers also get their air vents and adjustable seats. The seats can be folded over for more luggage space, while you can also uncover the spare tire area. An interesting thing with the BMWs is the seat belt. It doesn't actually adjust up and down, which means that whenever we drive with BMW instructors, they tell you first how to properly sit in front of the steering wheel. And this is basically what these do as well. If you don't sit properly, these will not fit very well. A nice drive is pretty synonymous with BMWs, which is also true for the Gran Tourer. If you'd like to transport more than 5 people or kids in the back, you can opt for an extra 2 seats for 800 euros. Don't have more than 5 kids. If you'll be driving more than 5 people, the passengers on the 2 extra seats in the back will need to be quite small, or they'll complain about being sardines. Inside there's one very important change, even though there were a few updates on this car, and it is the instrument panel. Now it looks like it's a digital instrument panel, but it's not really. It's all analog, apart from a few displays, but it's actually very nice. I like it a lot, and at night it colors a nice orange. Now the second thing is the gear shifter, which has a bit more of a mechanical feel. It's very nice, even though they again put it in piano black plastic, which means that it's, well, just attracting all the dust and fingerprints. And despite the fact that this car has the M suspension, it's actually quite comfortable on this road, despite the fact that it's horrible This road is just full of potholes. Now, there's also the headlights, which have been a little bit modernized. They look nice. I've got a heads-up display, which unfortunately is not projected onto the windscreen. It's projected onto this piece of plastic. And it's apparent that Mazda decided to stop doing that. They gave all of the plastics to Volkswagen, and then Volkswagen decided, we have too many, let's give some to BMW. Bit of a shame. But anyway, the main thing is this car drives very, very nicely over the road. It's like driving that 5 Series I drove a while back. So it's very relaxing, despite the fact that you'll be, well, probably riding with screaming children in the back. The base Gran Tourer model starts at 28,000 euros, while the fully equipped one with the most powerful diesel engine will cost over 52,000 euros.